This was one fun experience in Santa Fe, New Mexico. This train ride is not just a train ride, but a ride through scenic views which you get to experience from an open flatbed car. Each cruise car has its own bar and wait staff with live music and entertainers. I booked the Speakeasy Express, and from the entrance itself, it was so much fun. Complimentary welcome drinks. You can also order drinks and snacks on board. Did I tell you that the singer and guitarist had all of us singing together on our way back? This was a wonderful experience and a perfect date with my husband.